Hello everyone, welcome back. We would like to write a program that finds the maximum and minimum values in a set. Here is my set. It has 5 elements. The elements are 5, 1, 8, 3, and 7. So we would like to find the maximum and the minimum. So the maximum we can find easily ourselves. So it's 8 and the minimum is 1. But what if we have a set that is very large? We need to use coding to find the maximum and minimum. So in order to do that, I'm having my function called max and min. And here is the function call. So we are calling this function, and as the argument, I'm passing my set here, okay? And when this function is called, it is using the max function. So let me type it here. And min function. It is using these two functions to find the maximum number in the set and the minimum number in the set. So basically, if I want to find the maximum number in my set, which is the name of the set here, and the minimum number of my set, which is again the name of my set here, this function, this is predefined in Python, is going to find the largest number and the smallest number in this set for us. And this function is returning two values, first the maximum and then the minimum. Then here, when I'm calling this function, it is going to return two values for me, first maximum and then minimum. This is why on the left-hand side, I'm having two variables, because this function is returning two output. It returns two values. So the first variable from the left is the maximum, because first we are returning the maximum. So this maximum output is going to be assigned to the maximum variable, and then the minimum number is going to be assigned to the minimum variable here. And then I'm typing down the print function, and I'm typing the message maximum minimum, and then I'm calling these two variables that we initialize. So when I run the code, I see maximum is 8 and minimum is 1. So this is how we can find the maximum and minimum values in a set. Thank you for watching.